Are you a gamer? Ever felt your gameplay performance dropping? Definitely skill issue, by the way. Nah, I'd say keyboard issue. Your mechanical keyboard is to blame. If not, have others pointed out your keyboard condition from all that sweaty gaming sessions and breadcrumbs you ate while watching those movies late at night? Well then, it's about time for you to clean your keyboard. Hi there, I'm Fahim and I'm a student under the Japanese Universities program in Unikl, Malaysian France Institute. And today in this video, I'm going to show you on how to get the best out of your tech gear and avoid sticky situations like this one I'm showing in the screen right now. So yeah, you don't want to get yourself caught up in that. So I'm going to walk you through on how to properly clean your mechanical keyboard, keeping it fresh and functional for a longer time to come. We don't want any of those dirty spots ruining our setup, considering we are clean gamers. Right, guys? We'll be covering surface cleaning, keycaps removal, switch and board cleaning, and reassembly. It's actually a pretty straightforward process. We'll start by turning off or unplugging the keyboard. Then, pull out your keycaps using a keycap puller and keep them aside. A good trick would be taking a picture of your keyboard before pulling the keycaps out to make reassembly easier.
A few moments later.
After that, using a soft brush, gently wipe down the surface. For those tricky spots between the keys, use a Q-tip and dampen it with a little bit of water or isopropyl alcohol. Or if you want to get a little bit fancier, you can choose to use compressed air to remove loose dust and debris. Next, we'll take the removed keycaps and soak them in warm, soapy water. Let them sit there for about 30 minutes. Don't forget to dry them thoroughly before putting them back. Last but not least, here comes the fun part. Or the not so fun part if you forgot to take a picture of your keyboard. Once everything is clean and dry, start reassembling the keyboard by snapping the keycaps back onto the respective switches. Give the keyboard one final wipe down and plug it back in. You're now good to go. And there you have it. Your keyboard is now as good as new. To sum up, let's quickly recap the steps that I've covered in the video. First, we unplug the keyboard, remove the keycaps, and clean the surface with a brush or Q-tip. Next, we soak the keycaps in warm, soapy water for about 30 minutes. Then, dry them up. And finally, put the keycaps back into their respective places, and you're done. As simple as that, and now you can finally stop those disapproving glances of you using a crusty keyboard. Remember, the clean keyboard isn't just about the aesthetics. It's also about keeping your top gear in top-notch condition, making them longer lasting for the amount that you have paid to purchase your expensive gear. Now, you can lock in and stop losing all of those games you've been playing while procrastinating those homeworks that have been piling up. It's never a skill issue, right? You Valorant players know what I'm talking about, especially you guys. Thanks for watching, and hit the like button if you found this video to be helpful. That's all from me. Goodbye.